everyone, I'm gonna show you our house. This is our washroom, our kitchen, our living room, the view from our our living room. So that was actually our dining room. The hallway, the guest room. Oh, you also have a nice view. The bathroom, very girly. The bedroom, where we have another nice view of the flight line. Kurt's bathroom. And the office. Going really fast. Bye-bye.